Well, good morning. We've come up to the viewpoint that was just around the corner from where we parked up last night. We've got a little bit of cloud, sort of going a little bit. Don't really know what we've got in store for today. I know that we're heading into one of the national parks here, so I'm excited to show you around that, and hopefully we'll see more really nice views like this. Okay, so first impressions of Lovcen National Park. There's no one here. We're at the visitor centre and it is completely derelict. I don't know if it's just because it's off season. It's still really nice. They've done a really good job at making it look really good, so I can imagine in the summer it's really popular.
Apparently there's 280 to 320 brown bears in Montenegro. That's quite a lot.
That is.
Brown bears are massive as well.
I want to see one. Is that bad?
I don't know, is it something you have to actually think about here? That's quite a lot, that is.
Montenegro's quite small too.
Yeah.
Mitch is shouting me over. I don't know what for. We're having a race.
You've got to. Up the stairs, down this, up, down the slide.
Okay.
Are you going first or me?
You go first.
Right. You ready? You have to count me down.
On your marks, get set, go!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, your knees! Ah! 14 seconds.
I'm knackered.
Right.
3, 2, 1, go! Come on, you can go quicker. I hope we don't fall over. Oh, I stopped it a little bit late. You was on like 17 and a half, I think. What was I?
14.
This is like the most ghetto playground in the world. Look at these seesaws. Sit on the end of that.
Are you sure? I'm scared.
I'm scared.
I need to like calm down.
There's like a gym over there, let's go have a look.
Okay.
Jesus Christ! Who's getting up to that? I couldn't even touch that, I don't think. Oh yeah! Douche!
Actually, that's normal size. Mitch is just really small.
Yeah. I bet I can't do it anymore. Yes!
Yay!
Oh my god, I'm glad I can still do that.
Well, I don't know what else there is to do here. It's pretty quiet.
Do you want to do the walk?
Yeah, I'm up for a walk. If you're up for a walk.
Yeah. We've just started the trail. It's only an hour long, but Martha's convinced herself that we're going to run into a bear.
You've convinced me. You just had to look up. Mitch has just looked up what happens in case of a bear attack and what we need to do. And we're the only people here. Oh, is this a good idea?
Did you hear one then?
I can hear nothing.
At least we'll hear one coming.
But when we move, we make noise. What if we go on all fours?
They'll think you're a red fox. And then they will eat you.
Oh. They won't be intimidated?
No. There's only 20,000 left in the world, and 300 of them are here. It says they are known to eat humans in Lovcen, especially 22-year-old ginger girls from Staffordshire. Oh my god, we're in trouble. Come on. No way.
What?
I can see one.
No, you can't.
There's one up there.
That's it. I'm out here. Oh my god. I didn't expect this.
What the hell?
I thought we were just going looking for wolves. Wow. I did not expect this.
It's very rare in a place like this that you can barely hear anything.
Ooh, baby, would you look at that?
We hit another 100, 800.
I can't believe we've hit another 100.
Yeah, another milestone.
Another milestone.
We haven't said it before, but our whole aim before we left was to try and hit 1,000 by New Year. So if you haven't subscribed and you do watch us and you love the videos, please do, because if we hit 1,000 by New Year, that'll just be like a dream come true.
Yeah.
That'd be so cool. I literally thought when we were first making videos that they were going to get like 20 views each. So
being
it's just,
close.
yeah, unreal.
I remember before we left and when we were in the house, we were lying in bed and we were talking about if we were to do the YouTube or not. And I said, I think we could hit 1,000 by New Year. And you were so adamant that that was not going to happen.
I thought it'd be on like 100 now.
Yeah, so thank you for the support.
She's gone to take the bin, I'm going to do a runner. Bye! Where's she gone? Ah! She's coming! Bye, Mom! Go on, quickly get in! You're gonna get us arrested out here.
I thought I was going to be able to jump in. Idiot. Okay. Oh. So we've now come into town and we're on the hunt for a filter lens for this camera. Mitch has been on the hunt for one for a while, and they've got these shops called a Technomax. So we're gonna try there as we've come into this town that I don't even know the name of, and hopefully we'll have some luck because we've been looking for ages. Okay, so that was a fail, and I thought we were after something completely different to what we were after. I thought we were after the lens thing.
Oh no.
Yeah, we were actually looking for a cable because mine's broke, the iPhone cable, so I'm having to use a power bank at the moment and charge that up instead of using the battery, which is very annoying. People don't stop at zebra crossings here. They also beep at you if you're walking over one, not quick enough. They always seem like they're in a rush everywhere. We thought whilst we're in this town we would have a little bit of an explore, and it's so cute and quaint. It's really giving me small town vibes, kind of like Gilmore Girls. That's the vibe I'm feeling. Maybe it's just because it's autumn, but yeah, this kind of reminds me of Stotts Hollow. I don't know how much you'll be able to hear because of the music playing, but we've come to a cafe called 357 Bakery, and this is not what I expected. This is so nice. I feel like, well, we haven't come across a bakery or a cafe like this yet that's like trendy. Usually there's people smoking in them or something. We got 2 lattes and that cheesecake, which was €1.50, and it came to €5 altogether. But this is nice. We're treating ourselves. We don't do this very often because we don't normally come across places like this. We could have even bought our laptops too, but we'll just enjoy it. I think this is where we're going to stay tonight, but we're the only ones here, so we're going to have a scout for a spot. What we didn't realise is that next to our park up there was an abandoned cave. We had just poked our head inside when the camera battery decided to die, which then made the file corrupt. So we went back to the van, grabbed a torch and headed back down.
The camera died while we were going down, so it made it extra spooky. Ooh.
I don't want to do this.
Why? Oh, it looks really appealing to go down.
Oh. scared about, but it's so fucking creepy. Oh, what if there's bats?
There might be bats.
Oh. I'm scaring myself with the torch.
Why?
Like me.
Come on.
My shadow is scaring me.
I did not expect this when we pulled up at the car park. Oh my god, the torch is flashing red.
No, it's not.
It is.
No, Mitch, no, Mitch, no, Mitch,
Oh my god.
Mitch, turn it back on.
Oh
Mitch! Mitch! Stop! Stop, turn it back on.
It's dead.
Mitch, no it isn't. Oh, I'm going.
No, come on, I won't do it again, I promise.
I don't know where I'm going, I can see it, wow.
Come on, it goes down further.
You can go.
What would you do if you got down here and there was someone like lying in a bed down here?
That's what I thought.
Oh, you can't, because I can't see around this corner.
I'm
Come on,
scared.
because I can't see around this corner.
Were you a bit scared?
Oh my god, it goes further down. Come on, I can't see. I should have brought the head torch as well. Oh my god.
Absolutely not.
Come on.
Absolutely not. Mitch, I'm not liking this.
I don't
Mitch,
like.
I'm not liking this now. Mitch, this isn't funny. No, I'm actually starting to panic. Mitch, this isn't funny now. I don't like how I can't see.
You can see, you've got a torch in your hand.
No, Mitch, I can't.
Yeah, well then you're going to be going back up in the dark.
No, Mitch.
Whoa, look at this.
Oh. We were just having a nice coffee. What?
Where does this go to?
I don't like this. This reminds me of some weird like tunnel shit. I don't know.
Oh, there's an exit.
Light?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Oh, someone there.
I'm just getting my torch just in case you play any games.
Come on, let's go back up that way. This is not a time to mess about. This could be a life or death situation.
I know.
Oh, it goes down further.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't.
What do you mean it doesn't? Oh my god. Oh, come on, we can't go this far and then.
No.
Oh yeah, it only goes to it, yeah?
Okay, I've seen it. Wow.
Oh my god, it goes so deep. Yeah? Oh, one sec, I want to turn the light off, see how scary it is. Wow, Marv, turn your light off. It is so dark. Whoa, right, come on, I'm creeping myself out now.
Please, can we go?
Yeah, we'll go up. Oi, Marv, I think we should come down here tonight.
Absolutely not.
Go on. That went so much further down.
What was that?
What was that?
I don't know. Just poo.
Poo?
Yeah.
That's not poo.
That looked like a poo.
Oh, that's a bone.
No.
Yeah, it is.
No.
It is, swear my life, that's a
Of
bone.
what?
No idea.
It's reminding me of them tunnels
What tunnels?
in Vietnam.
Another bone.
What?
There, look.
It's sorcery. I'm sorry, but the thing I don't understand is like that people have been down there. So how are you ever comfortable to go down there in like liquor?
That was so cool.
I need to lie down.
I wanted to go down further.
Oh, but you can go by yourself.
Shut up.
Yeah.
It's a bit dangerous on your own though, isn't it?
Yeah, come on.
Oh, but now I feel like I've lost.
Why?
Because, like, I feel like to win you had to go all the way to the bottom.
No, you don't need to win in these situations, Mitch. You need to just stay.
Oh yeah, I feel like a loser.
You are a loser.
Honestly, when you got down there and turned the torch off and there's no light around,
Oh, sorry, I'm shivering.
that was dead cool. I like that sort of fear.
No, I don't. It's This is behind a monastery.
I want to go down there to where you can't see any light, turn the light off, and see how long you can stay there without freaking yourself out, like thinking about what's around you.
Why?
Because see how tough your mental state is.
We were meant to be looking about where to park.
Yeah, now we're parked next to a cool cave.
It's not my cup of tea. And also the fact that it was like barred up and it's been broken.
Yeah, that makes it even more cool.
Right, where are we actually parking?
I think we should park
No.
to the entrance of the cave.
No. I saw a black cat when I came back for the battery.
Come on, we're going on a bear hunt.
No, Mitch, you can't go back down. I don't care about being a wuss in this kind of situation. Mosquito going into the van. Oh no, it's Fluff. Sorry, I'm on high alert.
See, it's making you feel alive. Don't you like these situations that make you feel alive?
I was going to get some work done.
Yeah, this is more important than work. This is good for the soul.
I don't think so.
Because when we're down there now and we're thinking, oh my god, this is so scary and horrible, we'll get into our van, nice. We love that place, and we'll be nice and relaxed and comfortable.
I'll be having nightmares.
No, you won't, because you'll be out of the situation. We're out of the situation in there, whereas down there, you're surrounded by it. So then it will heighten how safe you feel inside the van.
You are just talking absolute shit.
No, I'm not. It's like these people who work these crazy, scary jobs, it just becomes normal to them. So if we go down there and make that try and feel normal, any other situation in life, dead simple.
But what's our aim?
To see if you can stay down there and not get scared.
Mitch, I don't want to.
Okay, we won't go down, I'm only winding you up.
Are you though?
Yeah, we won't go down.
But you've got that look in your eyes.
No. Because I know that you'll end up panicking, and then I have to put up with you panicking, and I really can't be bothered.
So not that you don't care about me?
Yeah, I do care about you. I know when not to push your boundaries.
Thank you. Let's just get into that safe zone now. Apparently we've got to go for another explore. We haven't got long left of daylight.
I want to go up to that.
Do you?
Yeah. There's a bell.
A bell?
I did not think it was going to be that loud. I feel like I'm on that advert. Can you remember what they were doing? And they're like jumping like that.
Why does this happen with all of our videos? I feel like we start off relatively normal and then like it just goes a bit chaotic.
Yeah, because we start recording all the videos thinking we'll make it all pretty and like nice, and then we just end up enjoying like recording and doing stuff. So we just record
Everything goes out the window.
Yeah.
Yeah, if anyone clicks on our video and watches the first like 2 minutes and then flicks to like 2 minutes before the end, they're completely different. We should just give up. We're trying to be aesthetic. It's clearly we're too chaotic for that. Well then, on that chaotic note, I think it's only right for us to end the video here, as I think we've had our main first impressions of Montenegro now.
Yeah, I love it. I think it's brilliant. Countries that like keep you on your toes, I think are just like the best countries to travel.
Yeah, it makes me really excited for our upcoming travel plans that we've got, which we'll fill you in on soon. But yeah, I love this country and I'm excited to explore it more. But that's it for this one. Make sure to give us a like and we'll catch you in the next one. Our next Montenegro episode, I suppose.
Yeah.
See you then.
Bye.